If your iPhone has no sound, ringtone is not working, or audio is completely silent, here are some quick fixes you can try. First, check the side switch on your iPhone. Make sure silent mode is turned off. If you see the orange indicator, that means your iPhone is muted, so switch it back to ring mode. Next, increase your volume. You can press the volume up button on the side or open Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner and adjust the volume slider. Now, make sure your iPhone is not connected to a Bluetooth device. Sometimes audio plays through headphones or speakers instead of your phone. Go to Control Center and turn off Bluetooth to disconnect all devices. If it still has no sound, restart your iPhone. Press volume up, then volume down, and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. This can fix temporary sound glitches. Also, try playing audio from different apps like YouTube or music, because sometimes the issue is only with one app. After doing these steps, your iPhone sound should start working normally again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone troubleshooting tutorials.